back to our craft corner. Today we're gonna be making a lion, but not like this lion. This lion is from our story of Daniel in the Lion's Den. We're gonna be making 2 lions today, and I'm gonna show you how. So let's get started. Okay, so for our first lion, all you're gonna need is a paper plate, and mine's orange, some scissors, a marker, a little piece of tape, and some paper. So the first step for this lion, all you're gonna need is your piece of paper and your marker. So everything else you can move out of the way. So on my paper, I'm gonna use my marker to draw my lion's face. So my lion is gonna need some eyes, a cute little nose, and then its mouth. And then because it's a lion, I want to add whiskers. So I'm going to add some. And now my lion has a face. So next you're going to take your piece of tape and your plate and put your tape right in the middle. Right like that. And now you're going to take your lion's face that we just made and put it in the middle too. And just like that, we have our first lion. I'm so proud of you. Let's jump into our second one. For this lion, we're gonna need a paper plate, some tape, scissors, and some colorful paper. Because this is gonna be the lion's mane, I chose brown, orange, and yellow. So the first step for this lion is cutting out the center of our paper plate. So now that that's done, we're gonna need our construction paper and our scissors. So now I'm gonna cut my paper using my scissors into small rectangular pieces. So now that we have all of our little rectangles, we can start to make our lion's mane. So we're gonna need to take our paper, our tape, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put tape on each one of your little rectangles and line them up on the outside of your paper plate. Now we have our second lion. What I love about this lion is that you can put your face right here, and now you're the lion. Isn't that so fun? I had so much fun making these lions with you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.